What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ryan, and today we have a video, a very interesting video. We have two apprentices gonna be racing for the first time. This is the first time we're gonna bring this to you guys on the channel, so be sure to stick around and watch. Chris gonna be racing with Sanjay. We're gonna share the wall. We're gonna go from the middle, from one end to the next, and see who is better. Afterwards, I am gonna go back and look through all the bricks and see if they are straight and in line and everything is perfect. And you're gonna be the judge, and I will give my takes. I will give my 2 cents as well on who I think did better. With no further ado, let's dive right into it. You already know Chris.
Yeah, man.
And you already know your boy Sanjay over there, man. All right, so we know we need to count to see how we're gonna shear the wall. So we have to catch the middle of the wall. I don't know if you guys wanna work from the outer side or the inner side. So he's counting the bricks to see how many bricks in the line, so that way we can split it in half. So 36, huh? Okay. Okay. Okay, good. All right. So we're gonna start spread. You spread from there, Sanjay spread from here. I'll catch both of you all.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, go on. You can go on. Go on. So I have Sanjay here spreading. Pretty soon I'm gonna go and catch a few footage with Chris spreading as well. Okay, looks like Sanjay is leading. Okay, let me go and see what Chris is doing over here. So we have Chris here while Sanjay is doing his thing. Let me know in the comment which one you think is better at spreading. Remember, you guys gonna be the judge. All right, so he's doing the right thing. He's part in the middle, just that way the mortar could come right out to the hedge. Sanjay is down there doing the same thing. So far, Chris win on the spreading. He spread more faster than Sanjay. So now we're gonna start here. So Sanjay is doing the same thing down here. He's opening up the middle. And now he's gonna clear the mortar, just like you see he's doing there. They're doing the right thing. This is gonna be a $10 bet, guys. Who's to ever win gonna get a coffee. Sanjay is laying his first brick here. Remember, I'm gonna go back through and we're gonna check. So if you go too fast and mess it up, you're still gonna lose. So take your time, make sure we get it right. Now I'm gonna check to see what Chris is doing over here. So right now I'm here with Chris now. Afterwards we're gonna go check Sanjay out. Remember, you guys wanna make sure that you stay on your band. So far, Chris is 3 bricks, Sanjay is 2. Who you think gonna win, guys? Leave a comment down in the bottom and let me know. It's a very tight race. So far, Chris is 4, Sanjay is 3. It's actually going. Chris is a little bit off band, but let's see. Yeah, just bear in mind that the band have to be perfect. Everything has to be perfect. So it's not only just laying the bricks on the line. We need to have a all right, you guys gonna be the judge anyway. Okay. He's kind of coming on band right now because it's very important to maintain the band as we go. So Chris of 2, 4, 6, 7. Guys, we're gonna go check out Sanjay to see how he's doing over there. So far, Chris is coming along. Let's see how Sanjay is doing. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh man, it's tight. It's actually a tight run, guys. It's 6, 7. Let's see what's this gonna be. It's actually a tight run. Wow. All right. The winner gonna challenge Ryan. How about that? How about that, guys? How about that? Leave a comment in the bottom if you want to see the winner challenge Ryan. Remember, Ryan gonna go back to and check to make sure that your guys' brick is perfect. I don't want it to be too fast and then it's all over the place. So we want to make sure that it's on band, the edge joint is filled properly, and you do everything that Ryan taught you. Okay, Sanjay is a little bit off band, so bear that in mind. We need to stay on band, guys. A little bit. Yeah, you could see. If you put your trowel straight away like this, let me.
Oh, let's see.
Yeah, if you put it up like that, you can see that you're one joint away. So just bear that in mind. Afterwards, guys, we're gonna go and check to see what Chris is doing over there. So far, I don't know who is leading yet, but we're gonna check and see. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 over here. Let's go see over here, guys. Let's go see. Okay, so Sanjay have 9. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. But yet still, Chris is behind now. Chris, you running the band. Remember, if you lay more bricks than Sanjay, you're not on band. The wall is not straight and accurate, you're still gonna lose. So bear that in mind. Make sure that you're on band. Everything is perfect. Don't just go with the faster guys, because we still need to have the job done properly, even though you're racing. Because the trick in laying brick fast is to maintain the quality work. So you want to make sure that you have it nice and straight, you're on band, yet still you're going fast. Because there's a lot of bricklayers out there who lay bricks and they still don't know how to go fast. See right here, this one is a little bit higher. All right, we're gonna check out Sanjay again pretty soon, and we're gonna see who is gonna win this race. Let me know if you want. Oh, Chris is off band. Bear that in mind, he's off band. So you guys gonna be the judge. I have to point out everything here. You're one joint off. Bear that in mind. Okay, so we see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Wow, it's tight, guys. They're actually even now. Wow. Wow. You guys gonna be the judge. We're gonna go back to, we're gonna check everything. And you guys gonna look and tell me who you think I should give the trophy to. The trophy gonna be a $10 gift card. That can buy a coffee for the week. Take that brick up, the top is dropped. This one, yeah, put more mortar there. Remember guys, we need to have the bottom of the brick flush with the existing one that's already there. So far it looks like Sanjay is leading. But wait, we will see who's gonna win this race. Wow. Exactly, because the brick's gonna be, we're gonna have to go back and assess to make sure that everything is perfect in line. And then we're gonna go back to, and you guys gonna be the judge. So far I'm seeing a lot of imperfection here, and both sides. The bricks need to be flush with the existing one that's already there. Yeah, so far Sanjay reached Chris reached the mark first, but we're gonna go back to and check to see who's gonna be the winner of today's $10 gift card. Huh? Yeah. Let's move that one over a little bit. Your brick on the top down, the hand there on the top down, just a tiny bit. Yeah, that one, yeah. Okay guys, so Let me put this one down so that way I can point out all the imperfection right now. So we're gonna start from down here. You guys let me know what you think, what is there that, which brick could lay better. So starting here, this brick here when it comes out, this brick is not. As you see here, we can see that this is in. So you need to be straight like that. This one needs to be straight. So far, this brick look good. This one need to be straight here. This one need to be straight. That one is okay. It's very important to have them straight as we go. That one need to be straight here. All right, so we're over Chris' side right now. At first, Chris was off by a little bit. His brick name is a little bit straighter than Sanjay. Guys, I think it's gonna be a tight decision to make here. Let me go up top and see. Now I'm gonna check for the top to make sure that all brick is level with each other. Wanna check to see this one here. Okay, this is not bad. This is good. We're checking for the space from the line as well. This edge joint here need to fill properly. This could go over a little bit. So right now we're heading into over to Sanjay's side. This one could tap down a little bit. This is level. Wow, it's gonna be a tight decision, guys. This here could tap down a little bit. This is level. Okay. Wow. What you guys think? You guys gonna have to decide on this one. Chris finished first. He reached up to the mark first, but he kind of screwed up with the band. So you have to rearrange and kind of shift them up a little bit to try and get them. Who you think win, Chris? You or Sanjay?
I know, bro.
Sanjay, who you think win the $10 gift card?
I don't even know. I don't even know.
Guys, you be the judge. You guys be the judge and let us know. Be the judge. Leave it in the comment. Let us know. Okay, guys, you be the judge. As you see, it's a very tight one. Be the judge. Leave it in the comment. Let us know who you think win this race. It's a $10 gift card from Ryan 1KB Construction. Let us know in the comment section if it's Chris or if it's Sanjay, and I'll be happy to give the gift card to whichever one you think is win. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and let us know if you want us to bring way more video like this. Let us know if you want the winner that you guys gonna decide in the comment challenge with Ryan, and we will have a match. Be safe.